We are in Cameron Hall Homes development site at Wynyard with JD Winters and Cameron Hall, who are currently using Ideal Heating's Logic air source heat pump. We have around 130 houses that have been built on this site, quite high-end spec, right from the beginning design stage all the way through now to the install. This is Cameron Hall's first development, and they are really enjoying working with air source heat pumps, especially with the ease of install and the advantages of selling a house with a air source heat pump rather than a boiler.
We wanted to design everything so it had the best quality, the best efficiency. So for us, Ideal is number one in our mind when it comes to heating a house. Gas is going to be obsolete in the UK. It's been with us for 30 years. So let's go in now and design a house which runs this new technology, which the customers would see a benefit for, not just in their back pocket, but also on the efficiency of the homes. And Ideal is really at the top of that. Their systems really work in our homes, and we've designed the homes around those systems.
So the installation company, JD Winters, is one of our main contracts in the North East. They introduced us to Cameron Hall Homes right at the beginning, at the design stage, and we've been there supporting Cameron Hall Homes, helping them pick the product, the sizes and the range for their new homes.
A big plus for us would be the ease of install with the Ideal heating systems. They come with a lot of different options for pre-plumbed cylinder, which covers nearly all installs you might require. The siting of the outside units with the clearances required is quite easy. Obviously, space being an issue on new builds, it makes that a lot more straightforward. A lot of our installers were concerned about the move from gas to air source heat pumps with it being something new. Ideal offered us all the training we'd need to be able to install their products. There is an option to go down to their training centre, and there's also an online training course which we put our lads through. We would definitely want to use Ideal again on other projects going forwards. It's one of our chosen brands for air source heat pumps.
Our relationship with Ideal Heating has been flawless in this project and into phase 2 as well that we're looking at. And yes, we will be using them on future developments. The product itself, it shows when we look at the customer care figures, we look at how easy it's been to educate the customer, and the install process as well. You're talking for the full system a matter of maybe a day and a half. Compared to other systems, it's really, really straightforward. So yes, we would use Ideal Heating again.
For more information about Logic Air, please contact your local Ideal representative.